Hey guys, it's your Pineapple Co. And before we start, I know we're wearing the exact same clothes that we just wore in our last video. It's because we're filming on the same day since we're both free and we just want to do it. Today's video we are doing
whisper challenge.
So, without further ado,
Intro has been a video of me just fixing my hair.
Without further ado, let's get started. As you can tell, because I have the headphones, she's going to be saying something first, and then I'm going to try to guess what it is.
Okay. Your hair reminds me of a dead dog.
What? Word by word, go. I can't hear anything.
Your hair.
My hair.
Reminds me.
Makes me. It's so.
Reminds me.
We match me.
Reminds me.
Me.
Reminds me.
Reminds me.
Of a dead dog.
Dead dog. That's so rude. Okay, your turn.
Oh, these are really, okay. I'm scared, it's gonna be so loud.
It's not, it's literally not. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
Shut up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I love mango juice in Disney World.
I love mangoes at work. This the part where I'm gonna get hurt. Yeah, she gon' mess with your.
One eternity later.
I love
mango
juice.
Mango stew.
Mango juice.
Mango's suits.
Mango.
Mango.
Juice.
Stew.
Juice.
Juice.
Okay. At.
Ass. At
Disney World.
Disney World.
Yeah.
I love mango juice at Disney World. We found ourselves in a weird room. The walls covered in strange scribbles.
The walls are soup.
We found ourselves in a
The flowers are on the wall and the walls are soup. Word by word.
We found never heard this loud before. Ourselves.
We found ourselves
in a weird room.
In a weird room.
The wall.
The wall.
I don't want to make me laugh. It's not even funny. The walls covered.
The walls
covered.
Ever
covered.
What?
The walls covered.
The walls ever
covered.
Never
covered. Covered.
After.
Covered. Shut up. Covered.
Heaven.
One eternity later.
Covered.
Covered.
Yes. The walls covered.
The walls covered.
In strange scribbles.
In strange scribbles.
Only 4 minutes.
Okay, I got one. Aw. Okay. You have lovely skin. I can't wait to try it
tonight.
Try it on.
I don't want to say that.
Okay. Well, you basically got it. It was, you have very lovely skin. I can't wait to try it on.
Okay. I love
dancing against cats.
Okay, I'll read the whole thing. I love dancing against little Dante because he's so small.
I love dancing because I get to feel so small.
I love dancing against little Dante.
I love
'Cause
dancing
he's
against little
so
Dante 'cause
small.
he's so small. I could hear that because it's
Aww.
moving to the next.
Rat.
Okay, your turn. Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. Camilla
Camilla
likes
likes
pretending
Bratelli. Ratata.
pretending
Bratelli.
Braton.
One eternity later.
Pretending
Pretending
to be
to be
a
a
tomato.
what?
Tomato.
Sabeo.
Tomato.
Say.
Tomato.
Tata.
Tomato.
Tata. Sa.
Tomato.
Tomatoes.
Yeah. She's.
Cheese.
No! She.
Cheese.
She
Home.
is.
She is.
Weird.
Really weird.
Close enough. It was weird. Camilla likes pretending to be a tomato.
What
She's
the
weird.
hell? Doesn't even make sense.
Ready? The bald
balls
bald guy
ducks
guy
yeah
guy
yeah
why would I say the bald yeah guy
like guy
on
God
on
the
the
bus
package
bachelor
package
badger
package
package
is cute
me you
cute
use
cute
user
the bald guy on the package
the package
is cute yeah
the bald guy on the package is cute.
that's who we're talking about. Ready? For the next like 20 seconds, Camilla looks really depressed. It's just because she's having a horrible headache because of how loud the music was. Okay. You have to.
I have to.
No.
You have to.
Take out
Take out
the
the
scringlins.
toothpicks.
Scringle.
Twitter.
Scringle.
Tool.
Scringle.
Sweel. Wheel.
Scringle.
Swear.
Scringlins.
Scringles.
From
the eggs.
Yeah!
Okay.
Quick disclaimer, I forgot to say, we call scringlins, you know the embryos and the eggs? We call that a scringle or like a scringlin. It's just like a little thing.
You look
like
a scringly worm.
Scringle worm.
Scringly worm.
Scratchy worm.
Scringly worm.
Scringly worm.
Without any legs.
Without any legs.
How did you get that already?
Let's go, that was so good.
I
I got that in like 30 seconds. Okay, thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for putting up with my bad hair days, guys.
Yeah. Same.
Appreciate it.
Okay, before we leave, I just want to say subscribe, comment, like, turn on that bell, and one more thing. apologize for that, but
Hope you guys enjoyed.
yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and bye.
Bye.